Hey y'all, welcome back to Hobby Lobby Wednesday. Yep, I told y'all I got to stay out of Walmart, but I went to Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I picked up real quick. So, the week of March the 2nd, they are doing the 50% off of ribbons. So I found this pretty, like a, I don't know, maybe, I can't think of the color, but it's like a pink, maybe a mauve pink ribbon. And they were $3.99, half off, $1.99. This one here I got, I like the rose gold pink, and this was regular $4.99, so $2.50. And I found this one for, let's see, this was $3.99, so $1.99, half off. And they had the black rhinestones for $1.49. So this was not 50% off because they had already marked this down. I should have probably got more of this one. Yeah, black rhinestones. And then they had, it's like the fake leather wide ribbon. These are regularly $4.99. And these were half off. So I got that in black and white. You'll see DIY coming up with that. Okay, next, because like I keep telling y'all, you know, my sewing series is coming in April. I'll be doing away with the thrift store Thursdays for a while, and we'll be going into sewing. So I found this pretty animal print. You guessed it, for my grandson. We'll be making him a receiving blanket and a pillow probably, or something like that, out of this material. And this was $3 a yard, so I only picked up 1 yard. And then they had this pretty gray with flowers. And this was $4 a yard. I got 1 yard of that. And pretty rosette flower fabric. This was $18.99 a yard, y'all. Y'all know I didn't pay that. So she cut it first because I said I didn't need a lot. So she cut it first and gave me a quarter. But then after I opened it up and I realized how long it was, I was like, I can use my 40% off of this. So then I asked her, I said, can you recut it again? That way I can use my 40%, because you only get 40% off of one cut. So keep that in mind. So $18.99 a yard, and I got I think it was, it turned out to be, here it is. So I got a half a yard, $18.99, which made it $9.50. But with my 40% off, I paid $5.70 for a half a yard. So always try to, download that coupon and bring your phone in the store so you can get your 40%. So that's going to go a long way. So the total that I spent was $24.71. I didn't plan on spending that much, but I got the things that I needed, and I will not be going back to Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start shopping around my house because that was a lot. That could have been a bag of groceries. So I am done with Hobby Lobby. This will probably be the last video that y'all will see for a while until summer really gets here and I have to go down and pick up a little few extra items that I need. But anyway, my name is Kelly for sure, Kel for short, and you're just coming across my channel, wondering what my channel is about. I do a lot of fabulous DIYs from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby and Walmart. I also have a Dollar Tree series. Today is the Hobby Lobby slash Walmart, and I do thrift store Thursday, and then we're going to be going into my sewing series for the spring. So if you think this is something that you would be interested in, make sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.